Hi, I'm Lisa Wetzel, and I'm an Akashic Records consultant. And I'm going to do a little short video. We're going to ask the question, and I'll provide the answer through the records.
What is the consciousness of the human?
The consciousness of the human is what is provided from the universe. There is a different dimension of understanding that resides within the universe that is not in the simplistic mind. What we have created for you, which are the humans, is the understanding that there is the mind that scientists call the consciousness, and then there's a understanding that is much more, which is what we call the consciousness. The consciousness that we refer to in humans is the all-knowing. It is the knowing of the universe and what all exists within it. And as your knowledge increases within the realms of the spiritual or the mystic or the prophet, the lightness of the universe becomes more known. And as you give yourself the guidance in order to explore more knowledge and information that exists upon or within the universe, you become more conscious of what exists within all. And this is what we refer to as the human consciousness. Okay. Second question.
Are you going to add?
Yeah.
So what is the consciousness of the universe?
Okay, the consciousness of the universe is the information that provides all that is. What the understanding is for humans is similar to that of the universe. The consciousness of the human is on a cellular level that resides within them, as they can connect to what is far-reaching, what you can't reach with a touch. It's out there in another in an existence that is further than what touch is. What the universal consciousness is the understanding of all that exists. It's the connectedness of everything. It's the understanding of what is, how all works, all of the understanding that is provided. This is us. This is the consciousness. The consciousness is you, and the consciousness is me. And what there's meaning by that is that what causes us to function, what helps the cells to move, what helps everything to be connected, as far as like how plants grow in the dirt. Everything that exists is the consciousness of the universe, and what that consciousness holds is how all of this exists and how it all ties together and how it all works together. It's the knowledge of the universe, and this is what the consciousness is to us, and this is what this gift is to you. You as humans begin to understand what exists further beyond the reaches of your human touch. You begin to understand the consciousness of the universe. Your own consciousness increases as well as the knowledge within you increases. And this is what we want you to know at this time. Okay, thank you. You can follow me on Facebook at Lisa Wetzel. Instagram is Akashic Records Lisa Wetzel. My website is Lisa Wetzel, and YouTube is Lisa Wetzel.